Welcome to InnovaTree's Knowledge Nugget series. Today we will understand what copyleft is. Earlier we have discussed about copyright and its importance and why is it important to get copyright registered if you want to prevent or restrict the use of your creations. So no other person can use or publish your work unless they are permitted. But there are people who actually put their original work in the public domain with the intention of it being used, modified, or improved by other creative minds across the globe. Now you must be wondering, why would people do that when they can just keep their work protected all to themselves and make profit? But here the purpose of keeping it open is to inspire inventiveness and free sharing of knowledge and ideas, so that the combined efforts of creative minds can lead to even more advancements in the original work for the world to see and experience. Copyleft is a concept of licensing, a term mostly used in the open source world. But copyleft is not just limited to softwares. It is also used for digital art, writing, science, and also creative content. In copyleft, the combined input or improvement or tweaking in the original work can lead to more improvements and specializations. But all the future derivative works and distribution must be done under the same original license that came with the original work. Meaning, derivative work of a work must be distributed with the same license as the original work. Let's understand what is copyleft license agreement. Copyleft is a general license agreement which is granted by a copyright owner permitting anyone to freely use copyrighted property, with the only condition that its terms remains the same. For instance, a copylefted software can be modified, used, distributed, or reproduced provided the source code kept open and available to public, and its derivatives to be transferred with a similar copyleft license that came with the original work, preventing personal restrictions over the modified work. Copyleft comes with certain freedoms which are not a part of copyright, and these freedoms are freedom to use the work, freedom to study the work, freedom to copy and share the work with others, freedom to modify the work, and freedom to distribute modified and therefore derivative works. If a license allows only some freedom or all freedoms to only limited few, then that sort of license does not come under copyleft, because copyleft is free for everyone and grants all four kinds of freedoms. One classic example of copyleft is Linux-based applications. So, how long does a copyleft license last? Copyleft lasts as long as copyright, which is the lifetime of creator from the date of creation of original work plus 60 years after the death of the creator. And after that, the work is available in the public domain and can be used by anyone without any license. Copyleft is protected by copyright laws itself, but it allows freedom and liberty to modify and distribute the original copyrighted material, allowing even the derivatives to inherit all four freedoms. I hope the video was helpful to you in understanding what copyleft is. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Our social media handles are available in the description below, and for more details feel free to contact us.